Quality control can't wait. Delays in QC data means delays in decisions. As an evolving lab, it's time to move to a state-of-the-art, uninterrupted QC management system. Unity NextPeer QC is the latest quality control data management system that improves the reliability of patient test results in an ever-changing landscape. Take the guesswork out of your QC results. With instant access to peer reports, compare your QC data with over 29,000 peers and have confidence that your performance is operating within range. The new interface and user-friendly navigation provides dynamic data charts and a streamlined overview of rules evaluation. Now you can submit your data and access peer reports from a single location at any time. No need to switch between applications and no deadlines. Unity NextPeer QC gets you on the road to organized and efficient quality control procedures. We know what you're thinking. I don't have time to move my operations or train my teams to use a new QC system. Not to worry. Bio-Rad's Unity Next platform is equipped with world-class automation tools and a support team that provides training for labs just starting out, and a seamless transition for those moving from a legacy Unity system. With lab credibility and patient health on the line, there's no room for errors. Unity NextPeer QC, excellence and reliability in QC performance.